Established in 2010 and located in the multi-industrial port, Chengdu, China. Chengdu Yideli Machinery Company Limited. Its enterprise specializes in the manufacturing of precise mechanical parts, with abundant machining experience in the packaging and the medical industries. The company has been certified for ISO 9001-2008 quality system and guaranteed import and export rights, and has established a strict quality management system and a comprehensive after-sales service system. The services are involved in civil aviation, energy, communications, electronics, transportation, environmental protection, and other important industries. The professional sales team is capable to respond to customer needs quickly and provides reasonable pricing proposal. It keeps close communication and cooperation with production department and technical department to promote the resolved problems in the production process and ensure the smooth delivery of orders. It also established good cooperation with customers, actively collect the feedback from customers, constantly optimize the service procedure, improve customer satisfaction, and win the trust and recognition of customers with its professional attitude and accurate service. With the continuous exploration and market integration, the company has cooperated with more than 100 enterprises in more than 20 countries and regions around the world, and has been rated successfully as a key supplier at the world's top 500 enterprises, such as Bosch Packaging, Silicon, and Amazon. It can provide customers with high-quality products and professional services, and widely recognized and trusted by customers. With the development of the times, digitalization has become a key to the success of modern enterprises. Yideli Machinery has always adhered to the concept of technological innovation and efficient production. Therefore, we are constantly working on digital transformation to enhance our production efficiency, product quality, and customer experience. Since the company was founded, we have always relied on advanced ERP management system and the BI system to achieve precise control of the entire production process, constantly promoting the process optimization and efficiency enhancement. The ERP system can be used to complete demand communication, order review, contract signing, and the real-time tracking of order production and delivery progress online. Very kind of virtual simulation technology is deployed to optimize the production processes and technologies. Specifically, simulate different production scenarios to find and solve potential problems before actual production, and then improve the product quality and the production efficiency. The quality of raw materials is strictly controlled in the production process. The order delivery time can be tracked through the BI system in real time, allowing for early warning if delivery delay in advance, and the real-time adjustment of production schedule. Moreover, the digital quality control system is introduced to achieve comprehensive monitoring and management of product quality, and promptly identify and correct quality issues in the production process with data analysis technology, making sure that the products meet the requirements and standards of customers. The ERP data acquisition and analysis system can predict the production demand accurately, reduce the risk of inventory and the production stagnation, and complete the purchase sales stock management of products. Both the ERP and the BI systems help us in the full process control of production and the database management of ordering, procurement, production, delivery, and after-sales treatment. Yideli Machinery has achieved the transformation from traditional manufacturing to digital manufacturing, and it will be committed to technological innovation and digital transformation in order to better meet customer needs. It has covered competitiveness and continue to innovate, exploring the infinite possibilities of future manufacturing.